Okay, so everyone knows the boots and cats. Pretty simple, right? But what if we use Beatblox to shift the hi-hats and make the beat more interesting? So I'm gonna put 2 dashes here to shift it to the right a little more, and 2 dashes here, and boom, we get a new sounding beat. Hey, that's pretty cool, right? Did you catch that? Just by moving the hi-hats, you're able to make boots and cats way more interesting. The point of this exercise is for you to explore different rhythms just with the simple boots and cats. And so for the rest of this video, we are going to explore rhythms that you probably didn't know you could even do. Let's go to level 3. Now for level 3, we are going to push the hi-hats closer to the beat. So we add dashes in front here, and we add dashes in front here. And now to spice things up, let's put 2 dashes behind the hi-hat of the second half. Let's see what it sounds like. Ooh, pretty fun, right? You got that? First try? Not bad. Let's go to level 4. Now for level 4, I'm gonna do something similar. I'm gonna move the hi-hats in front just a little bit, okay? But we're gonna do something different. Now we're gonna move one of the kicks. Okay, so I'm gonna move the kick over here and bring the T over here, just like that. So make a space here and delete this space there, and now the T is on the beat and the B is a little bit off. Let's see what it sounds like. Whoa, it's getting a bit tricky, right? And so if you can't keep up, don't worry, just go to beatbox.tech and slow down the BPM. Maybe let's put it to 100. And there you go, you can train your rhythm, you can slow it down, you can speed it up, you can have fun with it until you get it perfect and sounding good. Are you ready for level 5? So you have moved the hi-hats, you have moved the kicks. Now for level 5, you're gonna move the snare. So I've moved the hi-hats a little just to give some spice, and now I'm gonna move the K and the T, so they're gonna move a slight bit over here. And this is what it sounds like. No, I got it wrong. And so if you create a beat with a rhythm that you're not used to yet, hey, let's add a metronome, some clicks to help us with it. So I'm gonna add a layer, I'm gonna add a click for each beat, and let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, polyrhythm vibes. I think I got it. I think so. You be the judge of that. But either way, I'm going to be practicing it more and more to get used to different kinds of rhythms. And hey, maybe you can play with Beatblox too. Link in the description, link in the comments, and you should play with it. Comment maybe a beat, publish it, share it. Let me know what you got. Alright, hope you had fun. 5 levels of BtK. I'll see you in the next one.